Geoffrey George studying in grade 3 Indian Educational School, Kuwait. Today I am here with an exciting science experiment. The raw egg of a chicken has a membrane which allows a few substances to enter and pass through it. Water is one of them. However, large molecules like salt and sugar are too big to pass through them. The hard outer shell of an egg is made up of calcium carbonate. So, how do you remove the outer covering of a raw egg without boiling it? Let us do an exciting experiment to demonstrate this. For this experiment, we will need a glass filled with vinegar, another glass filled with water, and 2 raw eggs. We will dip one egg in the glass of vinegar and the other in the glass of water. The moment you dip raw egg in vinegar, you can see effervescence, tiny bubbles. Keep it stand idle for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we observed that the egg left in water is the same, whereas the egg in vinegar has swollen up and is surrounded by tiny bubbles. This is because vinegar is an acid known as acetic acid. The egg shell contains calcium carbonate. As soon as the acetic acid comes into contact with calcium carbonate, a reaction occurs which breaks down the calcium carbonate into carbon dioxide water and calcium acetate, resulting in tiny bubbles. Now I have taken the egg out of the water. Now I will take the egg out of the vinegar. After removing egg from vinegar solution after 24 hours, we will observe that the egg has lost its shell and has become gooey and pulpy. Why don't we have some fun now? Let us break the egg and check how is the yolk. Thank you for listening to me.